everyone. This is a video blog from Jarrett's CRM.com. I'm going to show a few features of new CRM 2011. The first thing I want to point out is that I found interesting is they did away with the tabs at the top of each of the entities. They have these new sections, I guess quick links to each section. Okay, here we go. Bring this full screen. You can see that the tabs are gone, and you have the option to scroll to see the different sections, or to the left you get like a quick link to them. So I guess that's their way of doing the tabs. I haven't tried customizing any of this yet, so I'm not sure how any custom programming like JavaScript or anything like that is going to affect tab hiding. Or I know a lot of the cool features I like to do and a lot of clients like are the different tab hiding based on certain values of another field. So I'm not sure how this will play into that. Another quick area I'd like to show is that I've found, I've only had this a couple days to play with, so I've only been able to do very minimal research on this. They renamed workflows to processes, and you also have the option to do what they call as a dialogue, and I guess that's for if you were doing maybe like a call center and you wanted your users to have a script to follow along, to get a series of questions, and within those questions you can set up I guess different responses, and based on those responses would be the next series of questions. That I'm going to provide a link to the training video that I watched regarding this within this post as well. I'm not going to build one out because it's going to take a little bit of time, but you can do a dialogue, or you can just do the basic workflow. And the workflow, from what I saw, was pretty much the same layout, which I'll show you just a quick example. I'm just going to do a workflow against an account. Some features are still the same, just looks totally different. Like the workflows is one of them, where you just, you've got your different steps, and you just build your workflow like you did in 4.0. Another thing that I noticed was solutions. From what I understand with solutions is you can build out, I guess, a pre-built solution and store them in here instead of like exporting an organization's customizations or whatever. You can just build out a solution, and you can have different solution packages. So if you got different verticals, you can have different solutions built out. So like for us as a partner in a consulting firm, we have multiple verticals, and we could have multiple solutions already available to us, to where we can just implement it a lot faster than just starting from scratch, which I found that pretty neat. Customizations are a little different. You've got some different features there. Some are still the same. You can customize the system here. It's basically along the same lines as in 4.0. As you see, we'll just pick your different entities, and if you pick account, if you got quick links over here to the left, looks like I can go right to the form. And you got your preview. It looks like they had a new mobile feature, and I'm just going to pick main. and they've got your entities, or your excuse me, your attributes all the way over here to your right for like a pretty much quick access where you can get to, and you can pick your different tabs of where you want to go to, and you just click. So if I want to add one over here, you just click, and it'll put it in there for you. And then you have your remove up here if you made a mistake. So that's different. I plan on spending some time in here playing around. From what I understand, the normal JavaScript that was done in 4.0 will be different in the 5.0. So I'm interested in seeing what that's going to be like, so I can play around with that. And another quick thing I want to show you is the advanced find. Similar to 4.0, looks like it's definitely more robust in this version. Similar. You can just do, I'll do a quick one. We'll see if I have one in here. A test record from me. We'll say under equals current user. Okay, then you just click on the results, and it looks like you got everything available for you. And another neat feature I just saw is for when you do programming, there was the fetch XML, so you don't have to do like an XML generator or nothing like that. It looks like you can just grab it all right there. And it looks like I own a lot of them actually. Okay. And then where did I see it? I saw where there was an option to grab more information. Let's see here. Accounts. Okay, that must have been on the reports that I'm thinking. So advanced find is pretty much the same. Just looks like it's a lot more user friendly. They've got the features up here, quick access to it. And here's where I was talking about the fetch XML, the layout. You can download the fetch, so that's going to definitely come in handy. Looks like you got a quick link to create some new records. And that's pretty much all I'm going to show in the first video. Second one will be coming. You feel free to post here on certain areas you'd like for me to go over or that you would like to see.